Health officials in Caldwell County say they are seeing higher cases of whooping cough. Now, they say they are seeing the higher than usual spread of the infection in recent months. Officials are now urging people to get the vaccine if you have not already done so and had that recommended dose. The warning comes as health experts in Oklahoma say they're experiencing the worst whooping cough outbreak they've seen in nearly 70 years. According to the CDC, there's been 77 cases in the last 2 months in Oklahoma.